gaming chair, inexpensive gaming chair from Trust. Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Gaming Trust. And you can slide in, just like that. And of course it has movable handrest, but for some reason this one is higher than this one. Oh, maybe it's illusion. It's $100. What else do you want? What else? Higher? Do we hear any noises? Oh yeah. Unpleasant. Well, I'm a bit tall for that seat, but it's okay. It's okay. It's very comfortable because I can move like this, or like this, or like that. You see, most of the gaming chairs have the sides for holding, and also at the top to hold your body. But I cannot imagine sitting in front of the screen like that, like in a race car. Why? What's the point? There's no G-force in front of TV. It needs to be comfortable, and this one is flat, very wide, and comfortable. And now you know. Comfortable seat, comfortable trading equals winning.